Hey there, Mind Detectives. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're ditching the cheesy pickup lines and diving deep into the world of magnetic attraction. We're talking about captivating women without saying a word. Is it magic? Is it mind control? No, it's about harnessing the power of nonverbal communication. First things first, gentlemen, you need to believe in your own worth. Imagine yourself as a limited edition sneaker drop. Not everyone gets their hands on you. That confidence translates into a silent message. I respect myself, and I deserve someone who respects me too. It's not about arrogance, but a quiet self-assurance that permeates everything you do. People are drawn to those who value themselves, and it shows in the way you carry yourself, the way you make eye contact, and the way you interact with the world around you. Now, this confidence translates into action, showing up on time, remembering details she mentions, and genuinely listening are all ways to say, I'm a man of my word, and I care about you. It's about consistency and reliability, a breath of fresh air in a world of empty promises. Maybe you remember her favorite coffee order, or surprise her with tickets to that concert she mentioned in passing. These small gestures speak volumes and show her you're paying attention. Let's talk about your time. We all have a limited amount of it, and how you choose to spend it sends a powerful message. Don't spread yourself thin trying to impress everyone. Be selective with who you give your attention to. This project's an image of someone with goals and a fulfilling life. It subtly says, I'm worth the effort because I have something special to offer, and I'm looking for someone who can appreciate that. It's not about playing hard to get, but about understanding your value and investing your time in people who deserve it. Looking sharp isn't just about superficiality, it shows self-respect and confidence. When you dress well, you feel good, and that energy radiates outward. It's a silent statement that says, I take pride in myself, and I'll take pride in how I treat you. It doesn't have to be expensive designer brands. Find a style that reflects your personality and makes you feel confident. People notice these details, and it creates a positive first impression. Let's face it, guys are bombarded with messages to brag about their achievements. But here's the secret. Be the man whose actions speak for him. Let your dedication to work, your kindness towards others, and your passion for your hobbies shine through. Maybe you volunteer your time at a local charity or go out of your way to help a neighbor. This authenticity speaks volumes. It shows her you're a man of substance, not just someone trying to impress with empty words. People are drawn to genuine kindness and passion, and it will make you stand out from the crowd. Confidence is sexy, but there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Here's the key. Stand tall. Don't chase. Knowing your worth allows things to unfold naturally. You don't need to desperately chase attention. This calm confidence projects an aura that says, I'm a prize, not a participant. You become the guy she compares others to, not because you're loud, but because of your quiet strength. Finally, gentlemen, learn the power of no. Don't be afraid to set boundaries and decline things that don't align with your values. This shows self-respect and an unwillingness to settle. It tells her you're a man who knows what he wants and won't compromise his standards. Remember, Mind Detectives, attraction is more than just words. It's about confidence, respect, and the way you carry yourself. By embodying these qualities, you'll unlock the power of magnetic attraction and attract the kind of woman you deserve. Now, get out there and show them what you're made of, all without saying a word. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to explore. Until next time, this is the Mind Detective, signing off.